Unlocking your potential, empowering your career journey. Introduction. Hello everyone. Congratulations on taking the first step towards shaping your future. Today, we'll explore the essential skills, mindset, and strategies to unlock your potential and empower your career journey. Believe in yourself. Your journey begins with self-belief. Trust your abilities, and don't be afraid to dream big. Remember, every success story started with a single step. Identify your strengths. Discover your passions, skills, and values. What makes you unique? Leverage your strengths to stand out in the job market. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious, stay hungry. Develop a growth mindset and continuously update your skills to remain relevant. Networking. Build meaningful connections. Attend events, join communities, and engage with professionals in your field. Your network is your net worth. Resilience. Prepare for setbacks, but don't let them define you. Learn from failures, and use them as stepping stones to success. Purpose and meaning. Align your career with your values and passions. Find purpose, and you'll unlock motivation and fulfillment. Action plan. Set smart goals, break them down into smaller steps, and take consistent action. Conclusion. Remember, your career journey is unique. Stay focused, adaptable, and true to yourself. Believe in your potential, and you'll unlock a future filled with possibilities. Go out there and make it happen. Bonus tips. Develop a personal brand. Practice effective communication. Showcase your skills through projects or volunteering. Stay positive and persistent. I hope this talk inspires and motivates young employment seekers to unlock their potential and empower their career journey. Thank you.